Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Apple Cash has enough funds and Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone. Once done, choose a reputable online retailer that sells PlayStation Store digital codes and explicitly accepts Apple Pay. Make sure you're logged into your PSN account and have your Ps5 nearby to redeem immediately. Don't waste time on account settings. Buy the code now so you can move to the redemption step without interruptions. On the retailer checkout page, choose Apple Pay and confirm Apple Cash as the payment source. You'll see the payment sheet on your iPhone. You must authorize with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Do that quickly to complete the purchase. Once paid, the merchant will display or email the PSN code. Save it or copy it to notes. Keep the confirmation email until you verify the code redeems on your Ps5. This avoids delays if you need a refund or reissue. Now on your Ps5, open the PlayStation Store, choose Redeem Codes, and enter the digital code exactly as shown. You'll see balance or content added instantly. If it doesn't work, make sure the code's region matches your PSN account and that you typed every character correctly. Case and hyphens matter. If problems continue, use the retailer's order receipt to contact their support and request a reissue. Keep your Apple Pay transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.